Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 177 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posted on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read all the questions and the answers. We put the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and stuff you didn't know here so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can I bring Capri Sun drink pouches? At Pearl Cove, are the tips included in the food and drink? Can I bring my own bottle of salad dressing? What ships have the second non-smoking casino? And can I bring a small beach tent to Half Moon Cay?
And this is straight from the yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring the Capri Sun drink pouches on board. They know they went to the website. The website specifically mentions that cartons and cans are allowed, but nothing really about the pouches. John said, yes, you can absolutely bring them on board, and he thanked them for asking. That's why he's here, so he can clarify some stuff that may not be in the fine print. All right, question two. This cruiser is going to Celebration Key and specifically Pearl Cove later this year and wanted to know if the tips were included with the food and drinks since it is a Carnival island and they are automatically added on the boat. What about Celebration Key, John? John said, yes, they absolutely are. So I'd imagine it's the standard 18% that they do on the boat. He did not say, but he did say that if you felt like you got some really good service and you wanted to do an extra cash tip, absolutely allowed as well, just like it is on the ship. So if you had a good drink and you like your bartender, you can tip them extra. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring their own sealed bottle of salad dressing or dressing packets on board the ship. They are super picky about their salad dressing and didn't really like the ones that were offered on board. That's a great question. John said, yes, you can bring this, but you must put it in your carry-on bag. Do not check it. So yeah, you can bring your own salad dressing if you wanted to. I'd say make sure it's probably 12 ounces or under because that's the limit for the drinks and stuff like that you can bring on. Don't know, didn't say. But to be safe, kind of do like an airline style. Keep it small. But this is actually good to know because I eat salad. I don't use dressing. Liz loves salad. She's not the biggest fan of the ones on the boat. She uses, I forget what it's called. But I'll tell you what, it's going to be in our carry-on on the next cruise for sure. All right, question four. This cruiser wanted to know what ships have the second non-smoking casino on the one like the Dream has. I think they call it an Annex Casino. So if you want to know this answer, get your pencil ready because here we go. John said they have non-smoking casinos on the Carnival Dream, as mentioned, the Magic, the Carnival Breeze, the Venezia, Firenze, Carnival Vista, Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration, and Carnival Jubilee. So if you like that little small non-smoking annex casino, it's on plenty of ships, and it's always empty for the most part. All right, last question. This cruiser wanted to know if small beach tents were allowed to be brought on Half Moon Cay. They couldn't find anything on the website saying yes or no. John said, yes, you can absolutely bring one if you wish. That said, the clamshells are getting really expensive, and so yeah, if you have the ability to bring one of those little fold-out pop-up beach tents, I would say absolutely do it and save yourself a decent amount of money from renting a clamshell. Anyway, that's been episode 177 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.